Okay, say you want to execute some code manually. Sometimes you can use start, but sometimes you want the code to execute at specific point in times, or maybe even out of the play mode. So you can use something called a context menu. Now when you right-click the class here, the class component, you can see the AnyName, and you can fire the method manually, even outside of play mode, but it works in play mode as well. It is great for testing purposes as well. The only problem is that since it's a context menu button, you can pass parameters. So if you have a method that needs a specific parameter, you need to do it like this. It's a roundabout way of firing this second method here. It works. Alright, that was just a super quick video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.